food,
And I'm out of place.
and you're not a place.
Am I water?
No.
That's basically food, right?
Am I land?
This is too easy.
I know.
He already said it.
Sweet. Am I a fruit?
Yes.
Am I an apple? No. Am I a banana?
No.
Gabe was a banana.
Strawberry.
Thing it up.
Time's up. Third.
I'm gonna trade it in.
Okay.
Kangaroo. I would never
See?
do that. I would
Yeah, I
never.
don't think you would have
I
either.
was gonna.
You love it, you never get.
Like, we get it, not all the time.
So am I.
Alright, let's build B.
And an umbrella? How is that a
Huge.
snack?
That
Before.
That was definitely the one.
It's the name of the game.
Well, just because it's the name of the game.
You want to get a
Now.
cup for that?
I'm gonna land it.
I think we might.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Brandon, Megan, and Gabe showed up. They were here before I got home from work today. Got a little four-wheeler riding in. Had a nice supper. We've been playing a couple games inside, but right now it's almost 11 o'clock. It's almost time for bed. Tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, we're picking up 40 pounds of boiled crawfish, 15 pounds of fresh shrimp. We got to pick it up at the airport in Hermantown. It's flying in from Louisiana Crawfish Company. We're going to have a nice boil tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. 911 Chicken is out to get some grass and looks like she's trying to make a little dust bath down there. I think today she'll go back out in the coop. She's completely healed. Melissa just kind of likes having her in there, I think. Melissa's in the shower right now, or she's drying her hair after her shower. And in a little bit here, we're going to head to Hermantown to the FedEx and pick up the crawfish and the shrimp. No, definitely 2 packages.
Yay.
Time to get out the boiling pot. Are you on shrimp plate or your other shrimps in? Shrimps?
No, I didn't put them in yet.
Go, 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 go. I could hear how much faster. What?
Fall down.
And then keep moving.
Are you busy?
I can look those.
but we can walk down.
We need a boat.
I'll bring the canoe.
No, we need a boat.
A big one?
There's tons of orange rocks.
Tons of them.
Take your shoes off, Gabe.
Want to step in here?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice and chilly.
Get right
It's
there.
not bad.
Well, it's been a pretty busy day. It's almost 7 o'clock. We just got back here to the house from after Lake Superior and that, so now we're just going to kick back outside and relax.
Very gently.
Woohoo!
Nice.
Let's drive the front door.
The garden is all watered. It's looking pretty good. I realize that this is a totally different video than I usually post, but at least I'm getting bits and pieces of what's been going on.
Trying to hold 130 pounds and clip his toenails when he don't want them done.
It probably takes a few people.
Yeah. Joni too, you can't clip hers either.
Joni stepped on my foot last night with her toenails. Like, dug it into my toe. Oh, shit. And then, like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? It's like, what?
But he looks healthy. I
Oh,
mean,
he
doesn't.
does. He
Oh,
looks
there's
great.
some firebug over there.
And, like, I don't know. I think he's tall. I think he's big. You say he's about average for his size. But
I think
I'm really I think
You know?
I do too. I
Everywhere.
freaking hate it. I hate time change.
It's so
Really
stupid.
messes me up every single time.
Yeah.
And I looked it up a while back. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it has something to do with time on the railroad. I don't remember exactly why I have it, but it's something from like the 1800s. You know, it's like or not early 1900s. It's nothing to do with us today. So
No.
Good morning, everybody. I'm just running up to the store right now because today we're going to barbecue up some ribeyes. We're going to do smothered or fried potatoes. I think macaroni and cheese and a veggie bake for lunch. Melissa's going to make some peach cobbler for a lunchtime dessert. Veggie bake. Cooking up some smothered potatoes. It sure smells good, that's for sure. Chunky's like, what are we doing?
He's gone and gotten it.
Has he?
Yeah.
She almost caught it earlier out the air.
Yeah, it landed on her nose. And then it fell off.
Get it, Chunky. Hey, girl, you want to ride on it?
That's amazing.
That's pretty
Yep,
cool.
you'll see it go into the raspberry bushes, and then you'll see him go in, and then it come out on the other side, or who knows where.
That's a perfect.
Well, it's been a pretty nice weekend. I'm exhausted, actually. I'm not used to all the different stuff going on and just different time schedules and everything. I did more sitting around than, I shouldn't say sitting around. Like, we went and did stuff yesterday, but today was a lot of sitting around. And that gets me much more tired than when I'm busy doing something all day long. But it's been a great weekend. Right now, Melissa and Brandon and Megan and Gabe are in there watching an animated movie. The raspberries are getting ripe. Like, a couple of times a day you can come out and pick. And we've picked quite a few, just picked them and ate them this weekend. I mowed a couple of paths inside of the raspberry patch here where it was not as many berry bushes, because otherwise you can pick them on the outside, but you really can't get into the inside very good. There's a nice ripe one right there. We picked, I don't know, maybe 30 or 40 strawberries this weekend. And now my next, of course, this weekend was completely full. But now I'll start working on finishing this fence so I can get it mowed in between the strawberry rows. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon right now. I think within a couple hours here they'll be leaving and get things put away and ready for the work week.
Bye.
Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. It was a very busy week, but it was a great weekend. I will see you guys on the next video.